Okay, gear demonstration. Guess, well, we'll start with looking. I don't know if you can see that. Where is it? Ah. Reverse. I don't know if you can see the car. Oh, yeah. And then back to neutral, great. Straight up to second gear. Yep. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Lugging it uphill. Back to fourth, no problem. Go to third. It's there. I'll slow down a little bit. Go to second gear. Right. I'll stop the car. Go back into reverse. Right. And then go back to second. Third. I'll go to fifth. Lug back to fifth to second. Full stop. And I think that's it.